Hey guys, Arkansas Garage here again. Today we're going to be painting and staining this chest, and I'll show you what I've done so far. I spared you the torture of me sanding this. What I did is all these little staples I filled in with putty. Got those all covered up. Lightly sanded the outside. Didn't go crazy on the outside just because it's going to be painted. Here's the inside. It's probably not necessary to paint the bottom of this, but I'm going to go ahead and paint the bottom and then flip it over. And what I like to do is when I flip it over is I use these paint caps. It's nice to have a couple of these around, but I'll set the chest on these paint caps and paint the rest of it. Here's the top of the lid. I didn't show this in the other video, but I cut this little lip inside here to be able to put this 3/4 inch piece of plywood in. This top I did sand really good just because it's going to be stained. I'll flip it around. Alright, I'm back. It's kind of hard doing this with one hand. Top I did sand really good, as you can tell. That top will be stained in a cappuccino wood stain, and then the chest will be painted with a it's like an off-white. Trying to think if there's anything else I need to tell you. Can't think of anything else. I'll go ahead and put this video on a time lapse, and hope you enjoy. Alright guys, everything's turning out real good. Let me show you what I got going on so far. Got this all painted. Looking pretty good. Got this all stained. What I might do is, well, sometimes I have to come back through here and just lightly sand it, but it doesn't look like the grain has raised very much at all. What I normally do when I stain is, as you can see in the video, I slopped a lot of stain on there. Then I'll come back with a dry rag and wipe off as much as I can. If you see right here, that's a wood filler that I used, and also on the sides here is wood filler. It's a pretty good stuff. I mean, it fills the holes up, it dries pretty quick, and I really like it. Find it and I'll show you what I used. Alright, this is what I used. Mid-wax stainable wood filler. Pretty good stuff. I buy it at Lowe's. I mean, and it dries a lot faster than this stuff. This stuff right here, when it, let me switch hands. This stuff right here, it comes out, it's almost like, it's like sandy or something. This right here, this wood filler, it kind of goes on like, how can I explain it? Kind of like sheetrock mud. It doesn't dry as fast, but if I had to pick between either one of those, I would definitely get that one right there. The stain I use, I think I said cappuccino, but it's actually Jacob bean. I use mid-wax on that. And then what I'll do for the clear coat will be this mid-wax fast drying polyurethane. It's a clear semi-gloss. I think it looks really good. I don't like a real high gloss on like farmhouse style furniture or whatnot. But what I'll end up doing is I'll let this sit overnight. When I get home from work tomorrow, it should be good and dry. Then I'll probably put about 3 coats of this on there and start putting everything back together. Anyways guys, I'll see you tomorrow, and should start putting this thing together. Well, no, I have to spray at the top, let it dry, then we'll start putting it together. But anyways guys, I'll see you tomorrow. Hey guys, Arkansas Garage here. You have to excuse me today, I'm trying to get over a cold. Got the trunk all done, got it all painted, stained, and let me show you what I got done. I'll zoom out here. And of course I got my little helper, Rosie. Got the top all stained, got it sealed with that poly in a can. Here's the sides, front, the other side, and the inside. You can buy these piano hinges at Lowe's. What I normally like to do is I cut them in half, put one on each side. Got these struts in here. Buy those on Amazon for a little bit of nothing. But it's turned out really nice. Those struts are really nice. I mean, this lid is a pretty heavy lid, as you can imagine. This is made out of 2x4s, piece of 3/4 inch plywood. If you let it shut on its own, it doesn't really slam. But guys, that's the end of this video. If you like to make one of these yourself, you'd like to know what the dimensions are and everything else, just let me know. Drop me something in the description and I'll send you all the measurements and everything. Anyways guys, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks.